Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your transactions on PayPal. To find your transaction on PayPal, first of all, open the PayPal application and log into your account. After you're signed into the home page of PayPal, go ahead and tap on the wallet button at the bottom right corner. Inside wallet section, make sure that you've selected activity at the top. You will see the recent transaction for your account. You can also use the filter icon at the top right and then choose the filter from date range to find specific transaction. To view the detail of a transaction, simply tap on the transaction, and that is how you will be able to find your transactions on PayPal. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.